begin round 8 with chain 1 and then mark the stitch on each side of the next right front post, double crochet, then right front post double crochet on the marked stitch, double crochet on the same stitch under the right front post double crochet, then double crochet on the next stitch. We're going to repeat it a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet on each of the next 2 stitches on each side of the left front post double crochet, then after making the stitch on the left side of the left front post double crochet, then we mark the stitch next to it and then go back and do a left front post double crochet just like we did on round 7, because we are continuing to widen the Y. Starting on mark stitch, double crochet on next stitch 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Remove all markers from completed stitches. And mark stitches on each side of the next right front post double crochet. Then right front post double crochet on the first mark stitch, double crochet on the same mark stitch under the right front post double crochet, starting on mark stitch, double crochet on the next stitch 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double crochet on next stitches on each side of the left front post double crochet, this one, then mark the next stitch, then go back and do a left front post double crochet on the skip left front post double crochet, and the widening of the Y stitch is completed. So keep repeating the same set of stitches all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you how it ends. I am working toward the end of the round and had completed the last Y of the round. So beginning on the marker stitch, double crochet on the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and this is the last stitch of the round. So we are going to end this exactly the same way we did before. So 1, 2, insert hook there on the second stitch, and that's the way the round ends, and we can pull all the hairpins now to get ready for the next round, which is round 9. This is all for now, and I'll see you on the next round.